Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Brent, and today we have a really cool barn find for you. This Volkswagen GTI Mark II actually belongs to a buddy of ours, and it's been sitting in his parents' barn on their farm for the last few years. And it hasn't been driven or detailed in around 10 years. But before we really get into the video, take a second and hit the subscribe button because we're trying to reach 300,000 subscribers by the end of this year. And you guys have been crushing it the last few videos for us. So we're just gonna keep saying thank you, keep asking you guys to support us, and see what we can really accomplish together. And speaking of it being on a farm, I thought it was pretty funny because while we were detailing the car, they had like 40 chickens running around and they were coming up to us. And the owner's mom told us that she has a name for every single one of them. So I took a few shots of them so you could see what I was talking about. And yes, if you're wondering, RJ and I definitely said, "Look at all those chickens," like 20 times to each other, and way overused that phrase. And although we only did a quick cleanup of the interior, so we didn't really film that, I figured some of you car enthusiasts might like to see exactly what he's running on the inside, so the seats, the steering wheel, and what he has going on in there. Now, for the question of the video, it's going to be a two-parter, so leave your answers in the comments below. The first part is, what year do you think this car is? And since I'm sure a lot of people watching this are VW lovers, what would owning a car like this one mean to you? I know this car is a dream car for a lot of people. We posted it on our stories, and a lot of you guys were saying how much you love these or you wish you had one. So I'm interested to read what some of you think of this car. Okay, so I wanted to try something new with this video, and it's not going to be something we do every time, but let us know down below if you guys enjoy this. I wanted to leave the initial rinse in real time rather than fast forwarding it, because I figured it was a little bit more therapeutic, and you get to really watch all that dust fall off. So let us know if you guys enjoy it like this, or if you prefer it being sped up a little bit. And after getting the car washed off, we went ahead and covered it with iron fallout remover like we always do with these cars to get the iron out of the clear coat or the paint. And then we'll go ahead and use our clay mitts, which is the same thing as a clay bar, but it's more efficient and it helps you get the car done quicker. And yeah, there was stuff flying on the car from us being outside, but if anything, it was just a nuisance because when we were done washing the car and getting it dried, we moved it back into the barn to start the polishing step. So to finish the car, we went ahead and covered it with a ceramic sealant, which gives it both some protection and some shine to make it look really nice for the final product. And it's actually funny that this week's video was a bit shorter because we spent the entire day there on this car. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a like. It really helps us out, and we'll see you next week.